yesterday Nukshita told me. Yesterday? My friends.
Mute yourself, I'm not able to hear anything. Yes, Nukshita's mom.
Yeah, what happened? Sit problem. Nukshita ma'am.
Ah.
Who is your best friend? And ante Nukshita, my teacher, my friends, mother and daddy, my brother.
Good girl, Nukshita. You're such a sweetheart. Thank you so much. Okay. Shall we start the session? We'll start it straight away. Okay, let others join. Okay, today's Kids Anthem by Hashni. Hashni, everyone join your hands and close your eyes, children.
Kids Anthem. Yaad temmi, yaaren panai, yaayune, my Nene Mata, Yuti by me, my all my mind, I tell a silly
Very good. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Rohita. While saying Kids Anthem, you should not interrupt, right? That's why I didn't miss you, okay? Good morning, Rohita. Good morning to everyone. Okay, good morning, everyone. First of all, I want everyone to bring a plate. I want everyone to be prepared with the clay or chapati dough for the activity. Before that, we'll finish with the attendance, rhymes, everything. So you have lots of time. You can do the activity. Okay, you can prepare for that clay also. Okay, children, be prepared with the clay or chapati dough for the activity. Yes? Okay, first is our warm-up activity. Roly-poly. Ready for roly-poly? Stand up, all of you. Stand up, everyone. Okay. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Up, up, up. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Down, down, down. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Right, right, right. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Left, left, left. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Front, front, front. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Back, back, back. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Big, big, big. Roly-poly, small, small, small. Roly-poly, fat, fat, fat. Roly-poly, thin, thin, thin. Roly-poly, tall, tall, tall. Roly-poly, short, short, short. Roly-poly, open, open, open. Roly-poly, close, close, close. Roly-poly, slowly, slowly, slowly. Roly-poly. Fast, 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 fast. Very good. Okay. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, tap your thighs. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Good morning, my everyone. If you're happy and you know it, what will you say? If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, what will you say? Okay, very good. Clap your hands And next, we are going to say number names. Ready for it? Till now, we have learned till number 6, but till 5, ma'am is going to say. Okay? We are going to repeat after ma'am. Anyone is going to repeat after ma'am. Who is going to be that? Who is going to repeat after ma'am? Farnaz. Okay. Farnaz is going to repeat after ma'am. Okay? All of you should repeat, but please don't unmute yourself. Okay, be in mute mode. Only Farnaz is going to repeat after ma'am. Vivan, I want you to listen, Vivan. Don't play during the session, Vivan. Listen, okay? So ready? ONE1.
That one.
TWO2.
Orange.
PH.
Yes.
RE3. FO.
Four.
4.
Four.
FI.
Time.
VE5.
Five.
Very good. So these are the number names. ONE1, TWO2, PHRE3, FOUR4, FIVE5. Okay, so these are the number names we learned. Yesterday we learned number. What number name we learned yesterday? What did we learn yesterday? Yeah, SIX6. Okay, SIX6. Okay, children. Now I want all of you to go drink one glass of water and come back. Come on. Ready for the attendance? Darshika? Darshika? Dev Krish?
Yes, ma'am.
Present. Good morning, Dev Krish. Danvin?
Good morning. Yes, ma'am.
Dikshan?
Ma'am.
Good morning, Dikshan. Parnaz?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hashini?
Harry,
Janvi?
ma'am.
Okay, I want all of you to be prepared with your clay or chapati dough. Okay, those are joined now. I'm telling you, clay or chapati dough for the activity. Kartikeyan, Kartikeyan,
Yes, yes,
Kavyani,
Yeah,
Kavyani,
ma'am.
Naitek,
Yes, ma'am.
Nukshita, Nukshita,
Yes, ma'am.
Nukshita. Nukshita is not there. Okay, I'm marking you, Nukshita. Pranita.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Pranita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Rohita.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay, Marohita.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
Mithila.
Yes, ma'am. She's in restroom, ma'am.
Okay, Satvika. Satvika. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Good morning, Siddharth. Eating.
He's eating.
Hmm.
He's
Tarnika.
eating.
Here I am, ma'am.
Tilakar. Okay, Vishank. Vishank. Didn't join, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, Vishank. Daily I will wish you Vishank, but you never wish me good morning every day. Why is that? Why is that?
I just joined, ma'am.
Huh? What? You just?
I just joined, ma'am.
Sorry?
I just joined, ma'am.
Drawing, ah.
I just joined.
Just joined, ah. Oh my goodness. What you're speaking? Sorry, I'm not able to understand, Vishank. Okay, next is Ivan.
Yeah. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Satvika and Darshika. Vidyut. Vidyut.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes,
Ready? Ready is absent. Okay. Tarni, sorry. Darshika. Satvika. Satvika joined, right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, children.
No kids at the mama.
Yes, ma? What Dharani?
No kids at the mama.
No kids and my kids anthem.
Oh, he joined lately. Okay, ma'am. Okay,
Start
ma'am.
at 10 o'clock. I started my kids anthem.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yeah, no issues. It happens, so no issues. Okay, children, today we are going to see about myself. What do you mean by myself? Myself means it's all about you. If someone is coming and asking you what is your name, how will you answer? How will you answer? Someone is asking you what is your name? What will you say? What will you say? My name. You have to answer. See, whenever they are asking you a question, yeah, please mute yourself. Yeah, please mute yourself, everyone. Okay? If you are going somewhere to a place and if they are asking you in English, how will you answer? If they are asking you, what is your name, baby? And what will you say? My name is Ashni. My name is Janavi. My name is Rohita. My name is Siddharth. My name is Tanika. Like that, you have to answer in English. Okay? And then they'll ask you, how old are you? What will you say?
5 years, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
How old are you? How old are you?
4 years old.
Yeah, how old are you? What is your age?
4 years
Okay,
old.
I am 4 years old. You were in junior KG at that time. I told you, you were 4 years old. But when you go to senior KG, you will be saying, I am 5 years old. Okay, even if you are 4.5 years old also, you will be saying, I am 5 years old. Okay, till when you are in junior KG, you will be saying you are 4 years old. And when you go to senior KG, you will be saying you are 5 years old. Okay, and then if they ask you, what do you like to play? Then what will you say? What do you like to play? If they ask, what do you like to play? What will you say? I like to play with. See, the sentence should be, I like, you should not blankly say that cricket, football, badminton. Like that you should not say. Okay, you should say, I like to play. I like to play with ball. I like to play with clay. I like to play with puppets. I like to play with my mom and dad. I like to play with my grandparents. The sentence should be a whole sentence. So hereafter, whenever you are answering even to me, it should be a whole sentence. Okay, you are not going. Okay, children, hereafter, whenever if anyone is asking you any questions, you have to try to reply in a full sentence. Okay, so today we are going to see regarding that only. For that, I want you to take your English notebook. Take your English notebook, children. Write today's date. Today's date is 1616 dash 2 dash 2121.
Ma'am, voice
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you are not visible, ma'am. He's telling that.
Yeah, I'll be back. You please be ready with your notebook. I'll be back. There's a network issue here. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
My voice.
I'll be back, children. Don't worry. I'll be back. Don't worry. Just be ready with your notebook. Okay? Take your English notebook. I am here. I'm not going anywhere. Please take down your notebook. Write today's date. Today's date is 16/1/6 16 dash 2 dash 2121. 2 means month of February.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Daddy. Good morning, friends. Good morning, Daddy. Good morning. Good morning, Hashmi.
Ready, children?
Yes, ma'am. Sweet.
The heading is myself. 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 Myself.
Issue WhatsApp number 93118.
Can you hear me, children?
Mama?
Ma'am, what do you want to write, ma'am?
Now you ask Rohita.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Mommy,
Children, can you hear me?
yes, ma'am. Mama. Oh, it's 6. 6 1. 2 1 plus 2 1 3 4 7 8 9 8 2 W. W.
Mama mute chair.
Okay, mommy.
Mute chair.
Can you hear me, children, now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me? Yeah, thank you. My screen visible? Can you see my screen?
Yes,
Myself.
Pranika, no. No. See, very good.
Can you see my screen, children? Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am, can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, we are able to see your screen. Ma'am?
Children, can you see my screen, Hashni?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hashni.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No one is able to see my screen, huh? Why no one is answering?
Yes,
Uma ma'am,
ma'am.
can you hear me, Uma ma'am? Why I can't hear anyone? Yes, children, I'll write it in my slate and show you. The heading is myself. Now, can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now can you hear me? I don't know what is the problem here. I'll write in my slate and show you. Yeah. Myself, have you written?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
First is my name is. My.
Ma'am, only the answer should want to write, ma'am. Otherwise,
No, the whole sentence. My name is, we have to write a dash. My N-A-M-E, name, I-S, is. Dash. You have to write your own name, children. My name is. Finished. My name is.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. Okay,
ma'am,
next
no,
is. Not finished yet, sir.
Power is gone, ma'am. So network
We
issue.
are also the same problem.
Oh, okay.
My home also power cut only. What
My
to
only
do?
problem. Sir, my name. Raima, ma'am, చూపించారు.
My name is. That's why I'm not able to share my screen also.
finish, ma'am.
Okay. Next is. If you are a girl, you have to write B-I-R-E, girl. If you are a boy, you must write B-O-Y, boy. Already I'm not able to hear others, Pranita. Please mute yourself, Pranita. Pranita, mute yourself. Uma ma'am, can you please mute Pranita, Uma ma'am? Mokshita, whoever is there, please mute yourself. You said mute yourself. I think no one is there. I am a girl means you have to write G-I-R-L, girl. And if you are a boy, you should write B-O-Y, boy. Okay? Finish?
Finish.
Okay. Next one is I am dash years old. I am dash YEARS means years. Old. OLD old. I am dash years old. I am dash years old. 4 years old. 4 or 5. Whatever your age is, 4 or 5. Have to write. Pranita, I want you to mute yourself right now, Pranita. How many times I'm telling you, Pranita, please unnecessarily don't unmute yourself. You're unmuting yourself and you're speaking everything with your family. How many times to tell you? I am dash years old. 4 or 5. If you are 4, write 4. If you are 5 years old, write 5.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Next one. I am studying. STUDYING. I am studying in. You are studying in? You are studying in which side? JR.KG. Like this. JR.KG. The questions can be written by parents also. No issues. If they are feeling it very difficult, they can write. Those children who are able to write on their own can write. Those who are feeling it very difficult to write, parents can help them. But the fill in the blank should be written only by the child. I am studying in junior KG. JR.KG. Zeddy, you joined us, Eddie. I marked your absence, Eddie. Finish?
Vanilla ma'am, slate this time, ma'am. Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Due to power, it's really very
Only screen
okay,
only.
very nice. Good only. Those are able to write, you can copy it down. No issues. STUDYING. Studying.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Mahashni. Are you writing on your own or your daddy is helping you?
I am writing.
You are writing. Show me how you have written.
Finish, ma'am.
Why your handwriting is like that, Hashini?
Finish.
Yeah, good, ma, Devkrish. Hashini, you have to follow the line, Hashini, even more clearly, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Hashini's dad.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to teach her the spacing between the word.
Okay.
See, my name is, it's like a train. no
Okay.
gap in between. Okay, so my it's a separate word. After that, some space, then name, space, then Hashini. H
Okay.
should be in capital letter Hashini. Children, all of your names should start with the capital letter. Oh my God, thank goodness. What my power
Okay,
now?
ma'am.
Finish. And the last one.
Ma'am, Rohita not finished, ma'am, please.
Achacho, what you didn't write, Rohita?
Junior KG, ma'am.
Studying, Rota?
Junior KG, ma'am.
Junior KG. JR. Sorry, Rohita. KG. This will be your answer.
Junior, right? Ikkada, please. Fastly.
Why, yeah?
No, first J.
J.
Okay, right. Oh, good job, Rohita.
Sorry. Why?
No.
JR dot.
Ma'am, in between power. Ma'am,
Yes, Kavya and his dad.
ఇప్పుడు KG.
in between power still happened, ma'am. Just now power came.
Sorry.
G.
You're not able to write, huh?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Can you please type it? Really, I'm not able to hear. I don't know I have any audio issues or not. I'm not able to hear. Can you please type in that chat box?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
I like to. I like L-I-K-E like to dash. What do you like? I like to dash.
Ma'am, what's the third question, ma'am?
My name is dash. Second is
Yes, ma'am.
I am dash years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Third is I am studying in dash. Sorry, second is I am a dash, girl or boy. Third is I am dash years old.
Okay.
Fourth is I am studying in dash. Fifth is I like to dash. Kavya and his dad, is it clear? I like to dash.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Third term, you will be getting myself as one exercise.
Ma'am.
Okay, you will be getting in your assessment. Okay, so learn it.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma, Rohita.
I want everything.
We like everything. And
You're calling me. What I'll do, Rohita? Then you are feeling also if I'm not answering you.
Because I'm playing everything.
because of I'm playing with everything under the ma'am.
Okay, very good girl. I know you are a smart girl. All my children are very smart, I know. Thank you. Okay, now if you have finished, get a star from your parents. Get 2 stars from your parents. And then bring your clay or chapati dough, what you got. Is all of you got your stars? Very good. Good. Good, Devresh. Good, Ma Farnaz. Good, Danvin. Very good, Satvika. Good. Rohita, good.
Ma'am,
Sun.
Nikhila.
Very good, Nikhila. Yeah, I saw it, Rohita. Ready, finish, ma? Very good, Ritvik. Was written by your mom, right? Yes or no? You wrote only the answer? Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Very good, ma Karthikeyan. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good.
Phoenix, ma'am.
Yeah, well done. Now take your clay, everyone.
Ma'am, Siddharth.
Yes. Very good, Siddharth. That's okay. Ready with your clay? First, you are going to do a sun. Okay? First, you are going to do a sun. Come on. Take a small ball piece and then make a sun. After making it, keep it aside. Okay? Don't mix with the other dough. Slowly make it. Make it in a circle first, then you have to prepare the strokes. Ishank, you don't want to make sun?
What ma'am? What?
Yes, ma. Ready? Sun, sun. Can you see? Make a sun, come on. What, Dev Krish?
Ma'am, look.
Very nice. Hashini, sit a sun. Yeah, good, ma, Rohita. Keep it aside, okay? Hashini, sit a sun. It looks like amoeba for me.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Yes, Nighting. Always you prefer to do the work very easily, Nighting. I told you to make the race and you have done it with your pencil or something, huh? Sun.
Ma'am, Vidyut don't have clay, ma'am.
Chapati also have, you can use it. Keep it in your slate, ma, Tarnika.
I'm
Place it
Phoenix,
in
ma'am.
your plate, everyone place it. Yeah, very nice, ma, Dikshit. Ritvik also good. That is making good. Nikila good, ma. Parnas good. And this is my son. Look at my son.
Ma'am, Jenny.
Nikita. Good. Okay, do you know how the sun will be? Sun will be like this, and it is very, very, very hot. Can you go near the sun? When is near the sun? Oh, it is a big ball of fire. Can't go near the sun. It's very hot. It's full of fire. You can't go near the sun. Okay, it's very hot. It's a big ball of fire. It looks like a big ball of fire. Okay, this is sun. Then keep it aside. Next, we're going to do the moon. 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 Moon, I taught you in a shape also. What is that? Crescent. Good, Moon, you can either make it in a crescent shape or else let it be in a circle shape. Whatever shape you want to do, you can do.
Ma'am, what ma'am?
In a crescent shape.
Second one, what ma'am?
Shape.
shape. I want
Whatever shape you want, you can do, children.
Is it
Very good, Viban. Siddharth and myself, same.
myself, ma'am. அம்மா இது மேட்ச் மாதிரி இருக்கு
Yeah, good, children. Very good. Next is star. We are going to do the star. Good. Everyone, very good. Next is the star. Parents can help them to make a star. Ready, children, with your star?
ma'am, finish, ma'am. Ma'am.
Is ready? Sun, moon, and star. Very good. Good, children. Yeah, very good. Parnas, good. Zedi, very nice. Good. Rohita, good. That's still doing. Yes, done. Good. Siddharth, good. Yeah, ma, good, ma. I saw you. Everyone. Good. Yes, finished everyone. Now can you see what is in the screen?
Finish, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, good much, children. Now look at the screen, everyone. Look at the screen, everyone. This week we are going to learn about the solar system. Okay, and what are all is there in the solar system we are going to learn. One by one we'll learn. Okay, and can you see in the middle, children, what do you see in the middle of the solar system? This is solar system, and you can see small ball like things rotating, right? What are they? Can anyone tell me? Yeah, planets. Okay, and there are totally 8 planets. Okay, and in these 8 planets, our planet is Earth. Okay, children, so we'll learn about it tomorrow. Today we are going to learn about the sun, moon, and star. Okay, and in the center you can see a yellow ball like thing, right? Yes or no? That is the sun. All the planets, they go around the sun. Okay, so sun is a big ball of fire and it is the biggest star. Okay, you can see the fire in the sun, right? So sun is the big ball of fire. It is very hot. Okay, and next, what do you see here, children? What do you see here? Yeah, and then only moon, huh? Can you see only the moon? Yeah, you can see even the stars. Okay. So today we are going to do the same in our worksheet. So the worksheet number is 136 CT. I want you to take your worksheet 136 CT. So here is the worksheet. Come on, write today's date. And in this worksheet, we are going to draw star, moon and sun. And then we are going to trace it. Okay? Come on, take it. Zeddy, take your worksheet.
Ma'am, page number enna ma'am?
136 CT. Yes, ready? Write today's date, children. 16-2-2121. Okay. Ready? Come on, draw a star first. Yeah, very good, ma, Vidyut. Take your worksheet, Vidyut. Very nice, Vidyut.
Number, ma'am.
136 CT. Star, and you are going to trace it. Yes, TAR star. Moon, you can either draw it in a crescent shape or else you can draw it in a full circle, children. It's up to your wish. Then moon. Next is the sun. Thank you. Keep it down. Here, keep it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Finish. Very good. Next worksheet is 138 MT. Those are finished. You can take worksheet number 138 MT. Write today's date. Number name 7. Number name 7. SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. Those are finished with number 7. Next worksheet 8. 139 MT 8. EIGHT 8. MT. SEVEN. Children, spell and write, children. I can't see anyone spelling it out and writing it. Dev Krish, spell and write. Dikshan, spell and write. Ritvik. Zeddy, spell and write, Zeddy. Finish? Very good, Ma Farnas. Next worksheet. If you have finished 8, be ready with this worksheet. 1 minute. Please let me know whether you have this 137 PH worksheet. How many of you are having this worksheet?
Worksheet number, ma'am?
137.
137.
If you're having the same worksheet, we'll do, or else we'll do another one.
Yes, ma'am. Dhanvan is having, ma'am.
Sorry. Can you please type in the chat box? I'm not able to hear properly.
Ma'am, page number what?
Yeah. Page number 137, it will be a homework worksheet. Please check and tell me whether you have this. If you have it, thumbs up.
Right, I have, ma'am.
Yeah. Parna is also having, thank you. Dhanvan is having, very good, thank you. Nitila is having, good. Dev Krish, do you have this worksheet, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Rohita?
I have.
Okay, nice.
Right,
Okay. Everyone is having, will do. Thank you. Write today's date, children. Okay, the first picture. Thank you, Zeddy's mom. You all are having the same worksheet. Write today's date. The first picture. What is the first picture you see?
What is this, Rita?
Up.
Yeah, up. UP, up. First picture is the boy is climbing up the stairs. So you will be writing up. U, P, up. P must start from the blue line till the red line. UP, up. Second one. Second one, what picture do you have, children?
Cup.
Means you write P. Up means again UP, up. Up, cup. Up, cup. Kavyani.
Chesano.
Kavyani. Where is your worksheet? What are you doing, ma?
Writing, ma'am.
I don't think so. You are writing, ma. I can see you. First is up, UP, up. Second one is cup, CUP, cup. Finish? Zeddy, finish?
No, ma'am.
Right,
Jed is playing. No, ma'am. Jed is playing with clay, ma'am.
Hereafter, don't give her clay. No clay for Zeddy hereafter. Get all her toys and send it back to school. We'll use it here.
Yeah, ma'am.
Zeddy,
Sure.
Zeddy, idhar dekho, Zeddy. Zeddy, come on, likho. Jaldi. First is UP, up. Fast writing. Second one is up, cup, CUP, cup. Third one, what picture do you have? You have a net. Net. Means you will write N. Et means et. Net. N-E-T, net. Is there any problem, Kavyani? What are you writing in your notebook, Kavyani? Kavyani. Don't pretend like you are writing. What are you writing in your notebook? Worksheet, ma. You have this worksheet, right? 137 pH, I said.
Ma'am, she's playing at all, ma'am.
Why, ma, Kavyani? Write in your worksheet. I've come to the third word.
Ma'am,
First is up. Second one is cup. Third one is net. Siddharth, you don't want to wait for ma'am, Siddharth?
Finish.
Who finished? Nukshita also finished. Next is 10. T-E-N, 10. How did you write the spelling for 10, Nukshita? Nukshita, how did you write the spelling for 10? Don't look at the screen and tell me. You finished it before me, right? How did you write the spelling for 10? Who taught you? Who taught you, I asked?
Ma'am, Nukshita not finishing, ma'am. Only 3 is finished. Next,
Then why did she say that she finished? Children, if you are finishing it on your own, it's well and good. I'm very happy with that. But if you are asking your parents and doing, please don't do it. Wait for me. I will tell you. T and 10. T means T, N means E-N-N. 10. No one should ask help from others and do. If you know it to do on yourself, you can do. If you know the spelling of all the pictures, you can very well write. Next is sun. Means yes, un. U-N-Un. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun. The last picture, cap. 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 Ashni, sleepy, yeah?
No, ma'am.
Very good.
Is the name Kirkala?
Finished?
Finish.
Is anyone ready with story? Is anyone ready with story today? Only 4 children have to finish their story. I'll tell their names. Who is that? Vidyut, Lakshana, Nitila, Pranita. Only 4. Others are finished. When are you going to finish? Nitila said it's going to be tomorrow, Wednesday. Next, Vidyut, when are you going to finish your story? Otherwise, I can't note down anything for you in the milestone. That's it.
Ma'am, by this week he will tell ma'am. I was held up, so I was not able to prepare.
Because next month I have to prepare for something else. Only till this month only we have planned for it. Okay,
ma'am. By this week,
please try to
he
do
will.
it by this week or next week. Then you will not get the chance again. I will not plan it another time. Okay, that's it. Only for this month. Next month another activity.
Sure, ma'am.
Lakshana also.
Before this
Lakshana
Friday, ma'am.
for any story, and then you have to do it. Okay, Lakshana.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Before Friday, ma'am.
Okay, children. Parents, did anyone send your milestone in courier? Those are mentioned. I mentioned their names in last class, right? Did anyone send in courier? Siddharth sent her?
This week I'll send, ma'am.
Okay. Zeddy?
Yeah, ma'am. I sent, ma'am.
Sent her. Okay. Thank you so much, Zeddy's mom. If anyone is having your milestone, please send it back through courier. Okay. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation for this long time. Thank you so much and bye, everyone.
Bye.
everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, bye children. Bye Zeki. Kavyani.
Bye.
என்னம்மா confusion?
Ma'am. Ma'am கேக்குதா?
Ma'am, இது மட்டும் தான் ma'am கரெக்டா எழுதுறோம்.
Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Mute.
சொல்லுங்க கவியானி's dad சொல்லுங்க என்ன பிரச்சனை? ஏன் பாக்கும்போது அவ சும்மா உட்கார்ந்துருக்கா?